What's going on, guys? It's on Fox Racing 101. Today, we got I finished my 2018 YZ250F build for this season for racing and riding. So yeah, I've been trying to record it on my cell phone and my iPod, but it didn't work, and I really want to download stuff off my cell phone, so I was going to use my GoPro, and I got something pretty new for me. I got myself a tripod, so yeah, so it'll be cool, pretty cool videos pretty soon. So yeah, so here she is. So yep, put her out. I'll put her right here. So yep, see, I finished my build, so it looks pretty good to me. I wish I could do it on my cell phone, but I really don't want to do it. So here we go. So I'm gonna give you a review of it. So I got a Flu Design graphics kit. UFO plastics. D Flex Pro handguard from Tusk. You can tell it's got a Race Tech sticker on it, because I'm getting my get my suspension revalved. Get my suspension shimmed, so it'll be softer for me. There's the other side of it for the Flu Design graphics. I think these graphics looks better. These graphics looks pretty cool instead of those stock graphics. It's got a Trail Tech kickstand. Here's how it bolts up. You guys got a 2001. It came with all together, so you want to assemble it. There's there's a rear end graphics. Put a beautiful FMF powercore 4 exhaust. Just a slip on. Might get the header pipe pretty soon. I cleaned it up today. I cleaned my bike up today, so I am running the spark arrestor in it. So I might do videos of the FMF soon, so I can do riding the roads, how it sounds, and another else. There's the other side of it. So I'm still running. I'm running the stock header. So yeah, that's I got a I put this on too, so I can get my bottom end beat up. It's got a works connection skid plate. Got off motorsport.com. Trail Tech kickstand I got off Rocky Mountain. It was pretty cheap. The plastics and graphics and the handguards, I got them off eBay. And so they use exhaust, so yeah, let me sit you down. Alright. About So I'm gonna start the thing up. So out the window and lock my tripod down. It's gonna take a while to kick it. So, cause I just got the thing washed. So. Yeah, I hope. It probably will start pretty easy with the choke on. I get on the bike. Let's see. So I gotta let it warm up because I got the thing washed. So let me warm it up a little bit, and I'll give you the rev bomb of it. So. Oh, it died. Let me do. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think I wanted to do. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I might do a run of the exhaust pretty soon of the FMF. So yeah. So yeah, looks pretty nice. So yeah, pretty much it for the walk around of the YZ250F build. So give me likes, comments, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.